Hi everyone, my name is Lena Demsky and I'm a public health student at Cal Poly. I'm also one of the developers of an up-and-coming prescription drug education advocacy group called Health is Lit. Today I will help you understand important information on prescription labels. Although we are going to eventually be looking specifically at a prescription label for Adderall, most prescription labels will include the same information in a similar format. First, make sure your medication bottle is labeled with your name and address. This corresponds to number 3 on this image. The name and strength of your medication will also be here, which is number 5 on this label. Typically, above the name and strength of the drug, there will be instructions regarding how many capsules to take, when to take them, and how often to take a capsule. This can vary based on a doctor's recommendations, so be sure to pay close attention to what is stated on the label. Instructions will be provided either on the bottle of your prescribed medication or on a provided medication guide. Usually, below the strength of the drug, the label will include how many refills you have for this specific prescription, which is label number 6. This number represents the number of times you can get this drug before needing to see your doctor again. In this example, doctor authorization is required for a refill. Make sure to take note of the discard date. This can be found on label number 10. After a while, pills can lose their effectiveness, and you might even experience negative side effects if taking expired drugs. Looking at an Adderall label and bottle, we can see the name of the medication here. This specific label will not include the patient name and address or specific instructions because Adderall uses a medication guide provided by the pharmacist. Medication guides list side effects and instructions for individual patients because every Adderall prescription is tailored to each person. The medication strength can be found here. The strength should also correspond to the imprinted number on the capsule, so double check the actual pills to ensure the prescription strength is correct. The two strengths you see are because two different images were used to show the front of the bottle as well as the label. In reality, bottles and labels should have corresponding strengths. This Adderall bottle does not include any notes about refills. In this case, you need to refer to your medication guide or consult your pharmacist or doctor. And here's where extended release is noted. Most Adderall bottles will include ER or XR on the bottle to specify that they are extended release. This means that the effects of Adderall will take time and do not happen immediately. Do not take more capsules than you are prescribed if you do not feel the effects immediately. This is where the disposal instructions are found on the label. If your Adderall is past its expiration date, you can dispose of it at a local hospital pharmacy or in your trash at home. If you are throwing it away at home, make sure it is put in another sealed bag or container before tossing it. You want to prevent children, pets, or any other scavengers from consuming the medication. To learn more about this topic and other ways to improve your drug literacy, visit our site healthislit.wordpress.com. Thank you for watching.